We all have been lied to about what the real war is. They tell you it's Russia versus NATO, Palestine versus Israel, America versus China. But that's not it. The war is older than borders. It's dharma and data. Dharma versus data. Data doesn't feel, dharma doesn't forget. One calculates, one listens. One scrolls, the other remembers in silence. The real war is not inside there, it's inside. The real war is not out there, it's inside. Inside your phone, inside your decision, inside the part of you that no algorithm will understand ever. What is data? What is dharma? Data is fast, dharma waits. Data says no more, dharma says know yourself. Data feeds your screen, dharma feeds your soul. Data is what Google knows, dharma is what your grandmother knew without a degree, without Wi Fi, without noise. Data says optimize your life, dharma whispers surrenders. Why data is clever but not conscious? Your phone knows your bedtime, your heart rate, your mood, but it doesn't know your longing. It doesn't know the silence in your chest when your father doesn't speak to you, or the weight of the prayer you didn't say. You cannot measure grief. You can't track the karma. We are flooding the world with statistics, but forgetting how to sit with ourselves. Is it fair? India was not made for data, it was made for dharma. This is why India never becomes a machine. We are not designed for order. We were designed for rhythm, cycles, rituals, seasons, a festival after death, a fast before celebration, a silence before war. The West says, show me the numbers. India says, sit with me in silence and you will understand. In Assam, in my land, a river changes course without apology. That's dharma. In Delhi, the Wi Fi dies during a wedding and people just laugh. That's dharma too. Yeah, it's dharma. Real world civilization clashes. AI and spirituality. AI can write a poem, but it can't pray, can build temples of glasses, but it doesn't know when to take its shoes off. In health, are you saying about health? Modern data counts calories, dharma counts offerings. One feeds the body, the other feeds ancestors. Geopolitics, in the field of geopolitics, China wants to program its citizens, India wants them to awaken. That's why India will never be easy to control. Never. In the field of economy, GDP is data. But trust me, unspoken truth is what keeps the chai stop running. No paperwork, no signature, just faith. That's the power of India. Sacred metaphors, if I want to say, data is fire, useful, fast, blinding, dangerous, but also it burns everything that makes us human. Dharma is water, it doesn't show, it flows. It remembers your steps. It doesn't forget your grandmother offering under the peepal tree. That's why Ganga is not just a river. She's a repository of remembrance. And that's why she will outline every server Google has ever built. Your role in this work, what is your role? The question is not who wins, east or west. The question is who remembers when memory itself is irrelevant. You will be told, optimize, predict, perform, but you must choose, pause, listen, and remember. Because Dharma doesn't need to shout, it only needs one thing to win, for you to come home.